Okay, let's see the next question. The next question is saying that you are given the length of the three sides. Check whether a triangle is possible or not with the given three sides. If it is possible to form a triangle, print possible, otherwise print not possible. Okay, note is given here. A triangle is possible only when the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Means when you are adding the two sides, let's see here I am having the side 1, side 2 and three sides we are having to the triangle. Sum of two sides must be greater than the third side, right? 12 plus 13 should be greater than 50, right? And this is the possible and possible output, and explanation he has given me here like that 12 and 13 is greater than 15, 13 and 15 is greater than 12, 15 and 12 is greater than 13. So here is a catch. Here the sum of every possible he is saying every possible two sides is greater than the third side, so the triangle is possible, right? So here what you have to do is you have to add every possible side and check it with the third side. So it is somehow like this. If I will explain to you here, it is something like this. If I will say something like this here, let's say I am saying side 1, I am saying here side 1. I am saying here side 1 is equal to 15, side 2 is equal to 13 and side 3 is equal to 12, right? So what you have to check is you have to check this. If you will do S1 plus S2, it should be greater than S3. This is first step. Second, you should also check that S1 plus S3 they should be greater than S2. Third, you should also check this possibility as well. S2 plus S3, this should be also greater than S1. That means these are the three possibilities. All those possibilities should be true. This should be also true. This should be also true. This should be also true. Then you can say that okay, this is a triangle. Then you can say triangle is possible or not possible, right? So we have to mention these three conditions over here. But all those three conditions should be true, right? If you want to check all those three conditions must be true, so what you'll be using and logic gate, right? So what I will do here is I will take the three sides first as it is showing in the question. It is taking the one by one side. I will say S1 is equal to, if you will see here in the side, it is saying like this, side 1 12. That means you have to pass this message, then 12 you will receive from the backend. Side 2 as a message, 13 you will receive from the backend. So I will say S1 int and input, and here I will say side of 1 SIDE side space colon C. Here you can say side space 1 colon space, right? So I will say side 1 colon, and then we have get the space here. Then S2 is also like that, so I will copy paste here, Control C and Control V, and here I will say side 2, and here I will say side 3. So I will change the values here as well, side 2 and side 3, right? I got the three sides. Now what I have to check, if side 1, easy way around, side 1 plus side 2 is greater than S3, and side 1 plus side 3 is greater than S2, and side 2 plus side 3 is greater than S1. If all of those three are greater than other side, like every possible side is greater than the third side, so what you will say here, print possible, 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 otherwise what you will say, not possible. So I will say else print, and here I will say not possible, POSSIBLE, right? So if I will run it, now here I am giving the first side as 12, second side as 15, and third side as 13, right? So you can say it is possible because 12 plus 15 is greater than 13, 15 plus 13 is greater than 12, 12 plus 13 is greater than 15, right? So this is possible here. What if I will give some other input here? Let's say I am giving here 35, then I am giving here 12, and then I am giving here 10. This is not possible. Why? If you say 35 plus 12, is it greater than 10? Yes. 12 plus 10, is it greater than 35? No. So one of the condition is failing here, so you can't say at the time it is possible. Okay. So I hope you understood this question as well. Thank you.